As a university, we have chosen to build linkages with the industry. We have chosen to build linkages with others because we believe that it's only when we work together with others that we can be able to go far. And we believe by working with the Smile Train, the way we have chosen, that we'll be able to go very far and bring smile to many. So we are very appreciative and very glad for you to have come over here, that we can agree to partner together and work together to bring smile to others. And this collaboration is not a one-off collaboration, it is a transformative collaboration. That those that you bring smile to, they will be able to go to school and they will not be isolated in their communities. Because you know, when you have this kind of problem, sometimes you are isolated. So they will be able to do their studies and be able to bring smile to their families.
It is a distinct honor to be marking this major milestone for our organization. A lasting collaboration between the University of Nairobi, a world-class university, and Smile Train, which is the world's largest cleft charity. The world's largest cleft charity. When these discussions started a few years back, it seemed like a pipe dream. And I wasn't sure I would ever leave, at least in this organization, to see their fruition. I found comfort in the words of Martin Luther King Jr., who said, if you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. And if you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward. So we kept knocking on doors, we kept having discussions until this day has come. An idea whose time has come cannot be stopped, or the entire universe conspires to align its purpose. At Smile Train, we are acutely aware that our investment in capacity building of this magnitude benefits not just our ultimate beneficiary, who is a child born with cleft palate, but a wider range of people and children living with reconstructive needs in our community. Smile Train then becomes the proverbial tide that raises all boats. The scholarship program we are launching today will support 20 resident doctors over the next 5 years, in which each resident will receive between 2.1 and 2.3 million shillings, Kenya shillings, not Tanzania, not Zimbabwe, Kenya shillings per year. And this level of investment surely deserves an applause.